How to stop auto-download media on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to stop auto-download media on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option Settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find option Storage and Data and click on it as well. In the appearing menu we see options Photos, Audio, Video and Documents. You can tap on Photos and choose Wi-Fi and Cellular, Wi-Fi or Never. For example, I will choose Never. And the same you can do with Audio, Video and Documents. Also, you can reset auto-download settings just by clicking on the button below. And that's all, it was how to stop auto-download media on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.